So we took a really familiar picture, yeah, of the ruins of St. Paul. Let's go inside. It's pretty iconic here in Macau. It's just turned into some sort of big touristy place now. But 4 years, man, 4 years ago I was here and not much has changed. I just wanted better pictures. Ruins of St. Paul, the Ruinas, in the land of my great-grandfather, who was Macanese. He's actually the father of my grandmother on my dad's side. Yeah. So there goes some of my Cantonese heritage. Macanese Cantonese heritage.